Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you happen to be new here, welcome to the Painted South. So if you happen to watch my last video, you know that we are hoping to be able to move soon. We're trying to get our house ready to sell, so I've been packing up everything, putting all of my items that I love and know I want to take into boxes and sealing them off. And I've also been selling a lot of things as well, things that aren't necessarily my favorite or I could do without. So I'm going through that whole process, but I'm going to be honest with you, I'm having retail therapy withdrawals. I've been watching a lot of other YouTubers do their shopping hauls, and I saw that a lot of people have been getting awesome items at Hobby Lobby on clearance. So I actually went there yesterday. I was mainly looking for the clearance items that are 75% off, and they did have a lot of things in that section, but I only saw a couple things that I actually wanted to buy that were on clearance. And then I did pick up a few things from their fall section and a little bit of greenery as well. So I wanted to share my little shopping trip and haul with you from yesterday, as well as a small area that I decorated here in my makeup room. If you've been watching my channel for any time at all, you know that I absolutely love autumn. It's my favorite season. I love to decorate for fall. I love the weather. I love everything that comes with it. So I'm so excited to get started, but it is still really, really hot here in South Carolina. So I am easing my way into decorating for autumn. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Before I go shopping, I always like to see what I might already have, so I went up into the attic to look for anything usable. My husband made these pumpkins out of free pallet wood a few years ago, and I think I might refresh them and repurpose them for this year. I love using baskets to decorate for fall, and I found this large picnic basket. I started to paint it before but never finished, so I may just refinish it and use it for this year as well. I also found this basket. It's very large and sturdy, but it also needs repainted. I'm trying to get into the fall spirit. It's like 100 degrees up here. And I also found these large wood boards that I had painted pumpkins on. And now on to Hobby Lobby. Mask on. Safety first. Okay, I love this large sign, but I really think I can make one for just a few dollars. And the same thing goes for these cable knit sweater pumpkins, a definite DIY project. I was happy to find these wire pumpkin frames because Dollar Tree was sold out of them. Now, I absolutely loved this rustic pumpkin, but I think it's another one that I can DIY for much less. These floral bunches were so pretty, but $27.99 was more than I wanted to pay, even at 40% off. These were so gorgeous, and they gave me a great idea for another DIY. Okay, so I ended up purchasing 2 of these faux animal fur table runners in the 75% off clearance aisle. I'm not sure why they were in the spring shop collection, because to me they are perfect for fall and winter decor. They look and feel very luxurious, and at 75% off, they were around $7.50 a piece. I found these Greenery Swags, I guess you would call them, in the floral department. They were half off this week. I loved the texture, the color, and the fullness, so I grabbed 3 of these. I definitely think these are a great investment that you can use year-round. Now, if you're lucky enough, maybe you were able to find these at your local Dollar Tree, but mine was sold out, and so I went ahead and got 2 of these at Hobby Lobby. They are 40% off right now. I didn't want to risk them selling out and me not being able to find any, so really they ended up being about $3.50, which isn't bad, and I have a great idea for these for a DIY. I've been watching a lot of hauls from other YouTubers, and someone hauled these wood garlands, and I knew I wanted to pick some of these up. They ended up costing around $5.40 each. I absolutely love the mustard yellow color for fall, and I went ahead and got one of the natural colors as well. I am a huge fan of the Robert Stanley collections at Hobby Lobby. I find that the style of his collections really appeal to me and my taste, and when I saw these white and gold pumpkins, I could not stop looking at them. I love the textured lines, the neutral color of white, and the gold accents, which to me add just enough to make them elegant and a little bit glam. And the last item I purchased at Hobby Lobby was this gold turkey, also from the Robert Stanley collection. I thought the size was perfect to add into smaller spaces. They also had one in copper and one in silver. And if you like the size and the shape, but you don't like the color, you can always paint it to match your home decor. And just like all of the other fall decor, everything is 40% off. I like to wait until things are 50% off, but I have learned that you need to buy it when you see it because it may not be there the next time you go back. People are very active right now and shopping a lot, so get the items that you want while you can. Now, I just threw together a little vignette. It's nothing super special, but I'm just trying to ease my way into fall decorating. I'm only going to be decorating a few areas in the house since we are packing to move. And because I have been packing, I've packed up a lot of my home decor, so I'm only going to decorate the areas that we spend most of our time in. So I'm going to start with my dressing room, as I call it. It's just a spare bedroom that I took over as my own personal space. Now, I painted this French provincial set years ago, and I'm using it in this room. So to start my vignette, above the chest of drawers, I hung a painted frame. I'm sure you've seen me use this one before. Inside that frame, I added this Paris flea market sign, which I got from Michael's last year. It is available again this year in a different color, and it is currently on sale. Next, I added a gray and white vase, the new greenery from Hobby Lobby, and some fall floral pods that I already had on hand. I added one of the new pumpkins, but I wanted to elevate it, so I used this stained wood block as a riser and concealed it with the florals. To add some light, I placed a small lamp to the right of the pumpkin, but it also needed raised just a bit, so I added 2 antique books underneath of it. As I mentioned in my last video, I love using vintage pieces in my displays, and especially owls for fall decorating, so I added this little owl set, which happened to be from my mother. Now, I have to admit, I'm not one that follows the rules of 3 or 5 in decorating. I just really enjoy creating vignettes that are appealing to my eyes, and since I'm the one that has to look at it every day, I think that's okay. I think you should do what you like and what makes you happy in your own home. I did end up adding one more book under the lamp to add a little bit more height and a touch of green color. This is my first little vignette for fall, and I am super excited at the thought of cooler weather, comfy sweaters and boots, the leaves changing, and pumpkin spice everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to have a ton of fall DIY videos coming up soon, so make sure you stick around for those. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Leave a comment below if you have anything you'd like to share, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support. I wish everyone the best. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.